Red Dolly. It's like a casino in a house. Oh, they got massage chairs up here. Next stop on this walking casino tour in Black Hawk, Colorado. Actually, we're in Central City, right next to Black Hawk. And we're gonna walk into Red Dolly Casino. There it is. All right. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm out of breath because elevation up here is about 7,000 foot elevation, I think. But we were hiking earlier and it was about 8,500 foot elevation. I think they were selling like hot dogs or
Tacos?
I'm not sure. You want to check it out after? Hey.
Go first.
Okay. Nice. Very homely. Here's our game. There's your bar, Red Dolly. There's nowhere to walk around. That's crazy. Yep. You know what's bad about this casino? People in wheelchairs can't go through here. Yeah. Jesus. A what? No, I'm talking about like in between the aisles.
Oh.
You cannot go in there.
Yeah.
Red Dolly. It's like a casino in a house. Oh, they got massage chairs up here. They got massage chairs. And then there's a restaurant. Whew, feels good up here. Look at that. She's hot, everybody. She's hot. It's because we've been hiking. I wonder what the elevation is here. I like this slot machine. It's a massage chair, right? Okay. Whew. Well, that's it. There's your walkthrough of this one. Okay, I'm good.